Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you step by step how to allow calendar access on Messenger so you can easily sync events, meetings, and reminders without missing a thing. This updated method works on most Android phones and it only takes a minute to set up. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to manage your apps and their permissions. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down until you see Apps, or sometimes it's called App Management, depending on your device. Next, scroll through your list of installed applications and find Messenger. When you tap on it, you'll see several options like storage usage, notifications, and permissions. Go ahead and choose permissions. That's where you control exactly what Messenger can access on your phone. Inside the permission section, look for calendar. If it currently says denied or not allowed, that means the app can't access your schedule yet. Tap calendar, then select allow. This change grants Messenger permission to read and update your calendar when needed, giving you a more connected experience across chats and event planning. Once that's done, you can go back and close settings. That's it. Messenger now has access to your calendar, and you'll be able to use features like event sharing or scheduling reminders directly inside your conversation.